What is going on, guys? Beard here. Want to do another unboxing video with you guys today. Let's check out what we got today. Oh, it looks like we got Sphinx Beard. Oh yeah. I actually won this through an Instagram feed that was done by Youknowbearded. He's also got a YouTube channel on, and you should definitely check that out. So I definitely want to thank Sphinx Beard for sending that out to me. Appreciate you guys for making that happen for Youknowbearded to be able to put on that giveaway. But anyways, let's get right to it and see what we got. Oh man, package within a package. Oh, let's see what we got. Oh, nice little. Oh, looks nice. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Get out the bag here. Ooh, okay. Wow, that is. That is nice. Really nice. Really nice box right there. Let's open her up. I like that logo. That's really cool. Oh, nice, nice, nice. The main event in the box. That is gorgeous. Sorry, guys. And this one here is the Smolder. Smolder. Yep. Oud, coffee, leather, vanilla, and sandalwood. That sounds really, really good. It's got organic castor oil, organic moringa oil, marula oil, frankincense essential oil, organic hemp oil, ginger essential oil, coriander essential oil. Oh yeah, let's see. Ooh, oh. Oh, okay. That, I'm a freak about oud scents right now. And, you know, even though it's not just straight oud, but that is a nice, it's very complex, but it smells very, very good. Oh, that is definitely intoxicating right there. Nice job, Sphinx. Very nice bottle too. That bottle is very, very sleek, very gorgeous, very. It's simple, but yeah, it looks really good. Very nice. All right, little sample in here. Oh yeah, Hawaiian. It's called the Hawaiian pineapple. See what that smells like. Ooh, that smells good. It smells fresh, very fresh. I like those. Those are definitely, can't wait to try those out. I'll definitely give a review on it on the Smolder. Heck, I'll even give one on the Hawaiian pineapple too. That smells really good. Yeah, so Sphinx, nice job. Appreciate you guys sending that out to me. Appreciate Youknowbearded for making that giveaway happen. Stoked to be a winner. really glad to be getting this. I've been wanting to try out Sphinx Beard Company for quite some time now, and that's awesome. So definitely give a shout out to Youknowbearded. Check out his channel on YouTube. Look him up on Instagram. Make sure you follow him. Look up Sphinx too as well on Instagram. Give those guys a follow. And I appreciate everyone watching. I appreciate everyone's support. And I'm going to get back at it, guys. See ya.